Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn what are landforms. So, landforms are natural physical features on the Earth's surface that make up the terrain, including mountains, plains, plateaus, and valleys formed over thousands to millions of years by geological forces. This means what? Actually, whatever natural physical features that make up the Earth's crust, like different mountains are there, different plains are there, plateaus are there. So whatever makes the Earth's crust, whatever is there, actually it is not formed in 1 year or two. It has taken a lot of years to form. So in this video today we are going to learn about the different landforms in detail. So let's move on. So friends, talking about the major types of landforms. Firstly, mountains. What are mountains? You can see here in the picture that elevated portions of the Earth's crust, often with steep sides and peaks. It means what? Actually, mountains are a large natural landform that rises significantly above its surroundings, right? Typically having steep slopes, a confined summit area, and considerably, it is considered as being higher than a hill. So what is the difference between a mountain and a hill? That mountains are having steeper sides and the hills are having comparatively lower height. Then next are plateaus. They are flat, elevated areas of land that rise sharply above surrounding terrain. It also rises above the land, okay, but then these are not having peaks, just like mountains. These are not having, unlike mountains, these are not having peaks. These are having uh, flat surface on the top. Now what are plains? Plains are broad flat areas of land that can be found inland or along coasts. Actually, these are the flat lands where you can do agriculture. Then major transportation networks are built there, like roads construction, then railways and airports constructions, then industrial development and urban settlement, like schools and hospitals are constructed there. And majority of the population stay in these plain lands, settle in these plain lands as compared to the hilly or mountain regions. You might have noticed that people settle more in such plain areas. That means population density is more in such areas because of its numerous advantages. Now next are hills. Hills are the landforms that rise above the surrounding surface, generally lower and less steep than mountains. As I told you earlier that hills are generally lower and less steep than mountains. I hope you might have understood the major difference between mountains and hills. Now we will see the common landform examples like valleys. What are valleys? You can see here in the picture that the low-lying areas between mountains or hills, often carved by rivers. Mostly these are carved by rivers, because of erosion done by the rivers. So valleys are the areas between two mountains or hills, the lowest area. Here in the given picture you can see how the river is flowing between two hills. Now next are canyons, deep narrow valleys with steep sides often carved by erosion. Again, these are also done by erosion. These are also carved by erosion. These are, now see the difference. Valleys were not so steep, okay, but here the canyons, these are deep, having narrow valleys with steep sides. These are having steeper sides. Just like the difference between mountain and hills, same here, the difference between valleys and canyons. Then next is the deserts. Deserts are the dry, arid areas with little rain, often featuring sand dunes. So deserts, you might have heard, these are the dry areas where there is less rainfall, and these are known by sands and sand dunes. It will be clear from this given picture. Do you know which kind of plants are found in the desert areas? Mostly thorns, right? The cactus plants you might have heard. And the famous animal, that is the camel, sheep of the desert is so these are mostly found in desert areas. Now, what are islands? Islands are the lands surrounded entirely by water. In the given picture, you can see here there is a land and it is covered by water from all the sides. Okay, so this is called island. You might have heard about Andaman and Nicobar Islands and many other islands also. There are island countries also. Next is peninsula. Peninsula. What is peninsula? Land surrounded by water on most sides. Also, you can see by say that these are the lands covered by water from all three sides, like India. India, you know, South India. South India is covered by water bodies from all three sides. So it is also known as peninsula country. I hope it is clear from the given picture, right? Next are the coastal features. So the areas where land meets the ocean, including beaches, cliffs, and bays. So you might have heard about different beaches or bays like Bay of Bengal. Then beaches are also very famous for, vacations. Actually, these are the simply lands where it is attached to any water bodies. I hope this is again clear from the given picture. So, this was all about the landforms. I hope you all understood the concepts. So, today we learned about the different landforms in simplest way. I hope you found it easy. Thank you so much for watching, and please do like and subscribe my channel, and also if you like it, please share it to your friends so that I can make more and more videos for you all. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you so much. Bye bye.